Think about the last hour. You probably used more than one computer, without even noticing. Your phone, your smartwatch, your school laptop, maybe even a smart speaker at home. All of these are devices, machines that take input, process it with a program, and produce output. When you tap your screen, that's input. Inside, a processor follows instructions, uses memory to keep things ready, storage to save files, and power, battery or outlet, to run. Then you get output, a notification, a sound, a photo on your display. Look around. Your device has input tools, keyboard, mic, camera, touch. It also has sensors, like an accelerometer or GPS, that feel the world, and actuators, like speakers or vibration motors, that respond back. Different devices fit different jobs. Editing a 4K video? A desktop with a strong GPU and lots of RAM will feel fast. Taking notes on the bus? A tablet wins for portability and battery life. IoT gadgets, like smart bulbs or door sensors, trade power for size and always-on connectivity. Some tasks run on the device, on the edge, for speed and privacy. Others use the cloud for heavy lifting, like streaming or collaborative docs. Quick self-check. What's one input and one output your current device uses right now? Which constraint matters most to you today, performance, battery, or portability? Being tech smart means choosing the right device for the job, taking care of it with updates and good charging habits, and disposing of e-waste responsibly. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to name the parts that matter, compare devices for specific tasks, and explain why your choice makes sense. Ready? Let's power up.